All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. Our highest player of the day, we hit a home run with it. It was 25% plus within just minutes. And if that's something that you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you will become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So here we are with AMC Stock, AMC Entertainment Holdings, and it's actually doing this effect of newer highs, consolidation, newer highs, newer lows, newer highs, right? Pushing back upwards. And it consolidated within this area of close to $50 all the way up to $64. So it actually jumped up from being down here at these lows in the 30s and 40s and jumped up to this newer level. And now the question is, could the bulls continue pushing this upwards? It's said that tomorrow is a huge day for AMC because of triple witching, the expiration dates, and a lot of investors are anticipating, especially the apes and the bulls, that the shorts have to cover because of this expiration date. Now we're going to have to see how this plays out. It is pushing upwards with high momentum today. It's hit highs of about almost 15% plus on the day, but it does not change the importance of these resistance levels I've discussed before, right? Which is $68. That needs to be broken through so the momentum can continue. And obviously for this to test newer highs and new resistance levels, $72 needs to be broken through. But right now, what's important narrowed in for tomorrow. So the 50-day moving average is $56. Anything above it is bullish. Anything below it is bearish. The first support level I would watch is $58. If it gets broken through, I would see how this reacts between 58 and 56 to see if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears tear this one down fairly fast. Now, if both of these supports get broken through, which is the first support level in the 50-day moving average, the next support level I would use is obviously the lowest point of the day before the run, and that's $51, okay? Something to watch carefully and closely. But today's highs were $63, and obviously the highs of the 15th, which is the highest point in this sideways action after getting out from these lows, is up here at $64. I would focus in on $64 more than 63. 63 is a stepping stone, but $64 would significantly pull this upwards further away from the 50-day moving average. And the next goal would be 68. Watch that carefully. And obviously 72 needs to be broken through for this to go up to $100 or beyond, right? But that's the first stepping stone. It's not guaranteed because it breaks through 72 that it's going to 100, but that would be the next huge resistance level and goal for this to push upwards. And the only way that can happen is if the apes and the bulls keep pushing AMC stock higher and making the shorts have to cover, because the only way shorts cover is when a stock is going higher, not sitting sideways and not going downwards. If not, when the stock is pushing higher. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on this one. As always, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss, and you definitely want to add to your watch list if you don't have it already, as well as the opportunities we found this morning and the home runs that we hit over at the Discord. Our highest one was 25% plus on the day. And if that's something you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and you'll gain access to the stocks I watch daily. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before here on the YouTube channel, and I still strongly believe it's a leader in its niche, and the way the chart is positioning itself is looking like an opportunity. We're going to look at the chart in just a moment and why I believe this stock has potential and it's a great stock to start watching and doing research on. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities we found this morning over at the Discord. We hit a home run today of 25% plus, And if this is something that interests you and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. And by joining, you will become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together within this Discord. So here we are with the first one, KULR. It was pulling back after jumping almost 100% in the morning. It was sitting at 295 when I started watching it. CLSD was at 510 and APOP was at 518. Let's look at these charts together. Our worst performer of the day was KULR. It gave us around 10 to 15% of a jump after pulling back close to the 270s and popped up to the 318, 319 range. It was pretty impressive within just minutes. So this was our home run of the day, APOP, and it was consolidating after jumping from the 460, 470 range. Consolidated, I mentioned it at 518. It started to run, consolidated again, pulled back a little bit, and jumped up from 545, 48 range all the way up to highs here of 630, okay? From the moment when I mentioned it, it gave 25% plus, but after that pullback and jump, it gave nearly between 10 to 20% of a jump on the day. This was phenomenal. It all happened so quickly. That's why execution and timing is key with these stocks. And then after pulling back again, back to closer to the fives, it consolidated and ran up again to 560, giving another 10% opportunity. Now, our second best player of the day was CLCD. This was running and consolidating on the news of actually getting an analysis price target upgrade. It was pulling back as I started watching it. It was at 510 when we mentioned it. Pulled back to lows here of about 491, 490 range and shot up to highs here of $6, giving a highest point of 15% plus, almost north, closer to 20%. This was a phenomenal turnout for the day. We went 3 for 3. Every single stock gave us 10% plus, but these were our two best performers, and we hit a home run with APOP here at the highest point of 25% plus. If this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, and you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. So what's the stock you want to add to your watch list? Well, ticker symbol F, okay? I've been talking about this one before. I talked about it way back here in May when it was at the 11s. I talked about it again a few weeks later when it was in the 12s and moving itself up. And this is already given between 30 to 50% of a jump since we first started talking about it. Hit highs here of about $16 and some change. And now it's pulling back from $16 to the $14 range. And you can see here how in the pre-market it ran and collapsed, and it's going into further weakness. Now, what I'm really looking for is consolidation to keep average cost basis low for those that entered down here, or actually look for an entry point for those that are getting this on the first opportunity. So you want to do research on it. You want to do your due diligence. This is a leader in the niche of selling trucks. Now they have an EV truck. That's going to be a big deal moving forward, causing revenue to go up and net income to grow, giving some financial strength. I'm not saying that it's going to be stability or actually make this stock, profitable again, because they've been going through some trouble the last couple of years, but it can give them some strength to probably cause a turnaround in the way things are looking. Now, this stock has ran tremendously from way back here at the beginning of the year from $8 to $16, so it's bound to cool off, but it has some strength right now. And what I'm really looking for is either consolidation or even further weakness, and look for a great opportunity to catch, quote unquote, the dip. And then if it continues to fall, keep my average cost basis as low as possible and ride this one back up as analysis ratings. See this one going to the upside, and with this EV truck and the niche and being the #1 selling truck in the US market, the F-150, and now they have the F-150 Lightning, it's going to be a big deal. So I would really pay close attention to this moving forward. And with RIDE, right, the ticker symbol RIDE, having issues, Lordstown, and they were trying to be the competitor, and also the Cybertruck of Tesla is not out yet, as well as the fact that Workhorse got beaten down, and they're pretty much known for that partnership with Lordstown or having a stake in it. You know, Ford right now has the spotlight in this niche of EV trucks. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions in any of the stocks I mentioned. If not, I'm just here to enlighten you guys on the opportunities that I'm watching and why I'm watching them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.